Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm here with a new workflow for the n8n tool and I'm sharing it for free. And this is a workflow that allows you to create a content creation machine for TikTok and YouTube. So quite simply, I'm going to try to use Veo 3.1. This is actually a model that's excellent for creating any kind of video from a simple request, from just a basic idea. We just share our idea and it does all the creation. And what's really funny is that today we can use either the light version or the fast version. And this one costs 5 cents for each video created. So it's a low-cost workflow that costs almost nothing. That means with just $1, you can practically create hundreds of videos. And it's a system that will take an idea from Telegram and it will simply turn it into a video. And then it will share it on YouTube and TikTok. So this workflow, I created it from A to Z. I'm sharing it with you for free. I'm also giving you, of course, what we call course materials. This will help you fully understand how it works, how it runs. This too is shared for free. And actually, I use Bluetato to share on all social networks. As for me, I chose to share on YouTube and to share on TikTok. You also have the option to ask it to share on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or Twitter. You are free to choose your network. It's an automated system. I can ask it to create a video every hour or every day or even every week. It's a very interesting system for freelancers, content creators, and individuals who actually want to create content all the time on their YouTube and TikTok channels. So stay until the end. I will show you step by step how to deploy this workflow. Well, the first thing to do is to download the workflow. We will get the documentation. So for me, I simply put this file here along with the documentation that's here. This is the file to download. And to access this page is very simple. You just need to go to the description of this video. You will find documentation which will give you this page. Enter your email, click here to download the documentation with the workflow for free. Once you have the documentation, of course, you need to import it. You simply need to download the workflow and upload it to your n8n. So if you already have an n8n account, that's great. You can import it directly if you don't have one. The n8n account, I'll quickly show you in less than a minute how to get an n8n account. Today, there are 2 ways to get n8n. Either you go to the official website here and click on pricing. Here, the price. And here, we're simply going to use a subscription in order to have an n8n server. So in this case, if I pay annually, I'll pay about $20 per month. But be careful. The limitation here is that we're restricted to having only 5 active workflows at the same time. And that's very little for people who are influencers or for freelancers who are also testing workflows. It's really not much to only be able to activate 5 workflows simultaneously. So the solution I propose is simply to host it on Hostinger. And why Hostinger? Because there it gives me unlimited installation and execution of workflows. And above all, I have 30 days to really test the whole system and simply see if the automation works for me or not. So here, I'll leave you in the description the link that takes you directly to this page. You really need to be on the page where the n8n option is, because it's an unlimited n8n VPS server. And if I mention this here, it's because they actually offer several packages. So the one that is closest to the official n8n option is this one, the KVM2. With this, I only pay €7.99 per month and I get 8 GB of RAM with 2 processors, and I'll show you. Actually, here's a little tip to help you get it as well. In fact, you can get this server with a discount coupon. So on the official hosting blog, if you simply come here and enter this coupon, the coupon is GON8N. But be careful, to be able to activate this coupon, it has to be your first server purchased on hosting. If you already have other servers on hosting, it won't work. So what's the idea? You simply log out of hosting and use another email address as if you are a new customer. This is a little trick actually that I'm sharing with you so you can take advantage of it. So as soon as you click on accept, there you go, it gives you a 10% discount. Second tip, I can get 100 free workflows here when I come here. Look, it's selected by default as n8n, so don't choose that server. Just come here and type n8n. And be careful, you also need to go into applications. There you go. And there you'll actually see 100 workflows. That's it. This is actually a server that gives you the 100 most well-known, most popular, and most widely used workflows by companies for free. So here, you just need to click on confirm to simply get this workflow. So you simply have a 30-day satisfaction or money-back guarantee. You just needed to click here to continue and validate your server. And you'll see the server will simply be installed. Then all you have to do now after placing the order is to import the workflow that I shared with you for free. And here we go. We're going to run our workflow, so let's increase the size a bit to follow along better. And the workflow execution, so I'm just going to do it all at once. So now I'm going to click on run the workflow so that it actually starts working. So the workflow, what does it do? It's now waiting for me to send it a little message on Telegram. So I open my Telegram. This is my Telegram. I've created a channel, actually specifically for this. Here in Telegram, I'm simply going to enter my ID. I tell it, a cup of hot chocolate with milk foam. In any case, I give it a bit of context and I say, listen, you're going to do a little camera zoom and you're simply going to do that with it, even with some soft and varied music. So that's the information I'm going to send. When I send this request, everything starts developing. By the way, in the settings here, I configured the video duration and the model I want to use. I use the fast model, but you can use the slowest one, which is the most effective and can give you a much longer duration. And here I specify the format and the resolution. In any case, these are parameters that I can change. So what does it do? If I go back to Vimeo here, if I look for this one, the fast, if I go into the history, I'll see that the system is actually in creation mode. So it's in the process of creating something. So the workflow is running. And each time it will check to see the status. Has it been created or not? So the status always tells it that it's in progress, that it's moving forward. So it will stay in this loop until the video is created. And once the video is created, it will create here. In fact, with OpenAI and ChatGPT, the title and the caption, that's what will actually be published on YouTube and on TikTok. And you'll see that it's blue. Taito, in fact, is the one who will handle the publication. So we'll just give it a few moments so it can process that, and then we'll look at the result together. Once the posts are created, you'll see that I should receive a response here on Telegram. So let's wait a bit. There, it's done. So now it's moving on to publishing, and I should actually receive a message. So in the message, it simply gives me the URL of the video that was created. So by the way, I can click to watch the video. We can watch it together. And then we can simply go to Blow Taito in the section. Here are the published posts, and I should find them. In fact, here are the two new posts that just appeared. So here, one on YouTube and this one on TikTok. So if I click here on TikTok, and I should see it directly. Actually, the post is published on it. Here is the TikTok page that I set up, and here it is. So the video is actually on TikTok and it's currently playing. And if I go back, I can also see it on YouTube. So I click here and this is my video. So on YouTube, so here, the workflow. In fact, it did what was necessary to share on social networks. And of course, I can actually add other networks because the platform allows me to share to up to 9 social networks simultaneously. And for that, of course, I will need to work on it. The configuration for resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. So the dimensions of the video so that it is actually compatible with the networks, social networks, where I will simply publish them.